Hello, let's solve for x over y. The first thing we need to do is let's square both sides of this equation, okay? So if we square both sides, we are going to have x plus y squared is equal to 6 root xy squared, okay? All right. Now, when you have a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, okay? Now, we are going to express this in that form. So we are going to write x squared plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y plus y squared is equal to 6 squared multiplied by root xy squared, okay? All right, so we have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is equal to, now 6 squared is 36 and this squared is xy. So let's divide through by xy. Let's divide through by xy. So when we do that, we have x squared divided by xy plus 2xy divided by xy plus y squared divided by xy is equal to 36xy divided by xy, okay? Now xy, we cancel xy here. For this side, this x, we cancel one x here, so we are left with just 1. So we have x over y plus xy, we cancel xy, we have 2 plus here 1, we cancel 1 here, so we are left with 1. So we have y over x is equal to 36. Now I want our constants to be on one side, so to do that, I'm going to transfer this plus 2 to this side. So when I do that, I'll have 36 minus 2 on the right hand side. Permit me to clean this. So now we have x over y, okay, plus y over x is equal to 36 minus 2. So we have x divided by y plus y divided by x is equal to 34. All right, now let us simplify this. Let a be equal to x over y, and if that is possible, that simply means that 1 over a is equal to y over x, right? Now I want us to rewrite this in this form. So that means that this is a and this is 1 over a, all right? So we can now say a plus 1 over a is equal to 34. Now to solve or to remove this a, we are going to multiply through by a, all right? So we have a multiplied by a plus 1 over a multiplied by a is equal to 34 multiplied by a. All right, now let's continue. I would like us to use this as m instead of a. Yes, I have my reason. 1 over m, all right? So this becomes m plus 1 over m. M plus 1 over m is equal to this. So we are going to have m multiplied by m, right? So m multiplied by m, because when solving quadratic equation, if we use this a, it's going to affect us. We are going to get confused, okay? So let's convert it to something that is not in our formula, the quadratic equation formula. All right, so when we now expand this, we are going to have m times m will give us m squared plus this, we divide this, we have 1 is equal to, when this times this, we have 34m. Okay, now we want to form a quadratic equation, and to do that we need to arrange this well. So we have m squared, 34 will cross to become minus 34m, then plus 1 is equal to 0. Now to solve this, okay, excuse me, to solve this, first, if this is the first time you are seeing this channel, please click on the subscription button for us and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. And please give us a thumbs up if you are actually enjoying this video. Thank you. So we can say m is equal to minus b. plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now you see why I changed my a, because we have a in this formula. If we say a is equal to, we are going to get confused. Okay, all right. Now our a here is 1, the coefficient of m squared. Our b is coefficient of m, which is minus 34. Our c is 1. So we can write that m is equal to minus 34 plus or minus square root of, our b is minus 34, right? Minus 34 squared. Then minus 4ac. 4 times 1 times 1 will still give us 4. Everything divided by 2a, that is 2 times 1, will still give us 2. So we have that m is equal to, minus is plus, so we have 34 plus or minus the square root of, now 34 squared. Okay, I'm going to solve this using my one of my math tricks. Okay, and this math trick states that if I want to solve this 34 squared, I can solve it this way. 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9. Now 3 times 4 is 12, and double of 12 is 24. I will add them. So I'll have 6, 5, 1, 1. So it simply means that 34 squared is 1156. So I have 1156 minus 4. Now, if you are wondering how I got this, like I said, I used math trick, and I have a lot of them on this channel. So you can actually check if you want a long video on it with many explanations. I have a playlist on that. Okay, so check on the playlist and watch all of them. But if you want short clips on some of them, it's also on my shorts. Okay, so check my shorts and see so many mathematics tricks. Okay, all right. Now I also have a new channel, JJ Math Class. Please check there for more videos. Thank you. So this is it. Well, we have that m is equal to 34 plus or minus, now 1156 minus 4 will give us what? 1152. So we have 1152, everything divided by 2. So we continue from here. So we have that m is equal to 34 plus or minus. Now what is square root of 1152? We can divide this by 2 to get a perfect square. Yes, I've already known by looking at it. I also have a math trick on this, but I don't want to use it here to avoid prolonging this video. So check on the playlist and learn them. Okay, so how to get this square root without a calculator? If I divide this by 2, I will have 5, I will have 7, and I will have 6. And 576 is a perfect square. So 576 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Now m is equal to 34 plus or minus. Now square root of 576 will give us 24. Now we have root 2. Like I said, check my math tricks, the playlist. Okay. Now m is equal to 34 divided by 2 will give us 17, plus or minus 24 divided by 2 will give us 12, and we have root 2. Okay, but you need to recall that m is equal to x over y. I'm sorry I've cleaned it, but recall where we said let m equals x over y and y over x equals 1 over m before we solved. Now that simply means that we can replace this with x divided by y is equal to 17 plus or minus 12 root 2. Now this is the value of x over y that we are looking for. Please give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this video.